Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you different types of origami airplanes that I made so far. There are much more origami airplanes, but I'm going to show you that I made so far. First is this two origami airplane. Okay, this one I learned from, let me see, from Origami book, from Origami book, and this one is from online. I heard that this origami airplane can fly pretty far, but I made some mistakes. So you see the creases. So I don't know if this airplane is good enough, but I'm going to make again and then test it out. But this one is, I don't think this airplane is suited for flying during the airplanes. But yeah, because when I throw it, it goes down and then spins and goes down. So this one is, yeah, if you want to see paper spinning, you can fly this. So I'm going to remake this one. But now the next origami airplane is this two. This two is a gliding airplane. So it could go up, down, it could go right, left, straight. Yeah. And I like this two airplane. And I made this one when I was young. So I know how to make this one long time ago. So this two airplane, it glides. So yeah, so when it goes like this, so that's why I like this one. If I want to see like stunts, like the tricks. So this two origami airplane is pretty good. The next two origami airplane is this two. This two is pretty good for short distance, like less than 20 feet. Okay, less than 20 feet. So, like if you want to throw this airplane, if you want to throw it far, this two origami airplane is very good for drawing. And if you like to throw it far, then there's another origami airplane you should fly, but this two is good for short distance. The next two I'm going to show you is this two. This one is average distance, and this one is average distance. So far that I showed you, this origami airplane is my favorite origami airplane. I made this, I know how to make this since when I was young. So this was one of my favorite origami airplane because this could go up, down, go sideways, and pretty good distance wise. So this is one of my favorite origami airplane. And next two is this two. This two origami airplane can go very far, but I don't know how far it can go because I throw it only at home. But when I throw this two outside, I'm pretty sure that this two can go much further than this one. So if anyone likes long distance flying airplane, this two is very good choice. And I learned this two only online. do watching on the video. So yeah, so I'm going to test it out later. This 4 airplanes to see which one goes the furthest. And this 3 is I learned it from online. And the others I learned from Origami book, except this and this. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Comment down below and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.